Last week, I explained that an LLM doesn't think, it predicts. Today, the strangest consequence of that. AI confidently makes things up. We call it hallucination. And here's the part most people get wrong. It isn't a bug. Remember how an LLM works? It learned a giant probability map of language. Which words tend to follow which? When you ask a question, it doesn't look up an answer. It generates one, word by word, picking what's statistically most likely to come next. Here's the key insight. The model has no separate store of true facts, no internal fact checker. It only has patterns. So when it doesn't know something, it doesn't go blank. It generates the most plausible sounding continuation. Sometimes that's true. Sometimes it's a confident, well-formed sentence that's completely false. The model genuinely can't tell the difference, because to it, there is no difference. It's all just likely text. That's why hallucinations sound so believable. They're built from the same patterns as real answers: fluent, structured, authoritative. The fluency is exactly what makes them dangerous. This is also why retrieval helps. When you give the model real documents to quote from, what's called RAG, it has something true to anchor to, so it invents less. But it doesn't fully solve it. The model can still misread or blend sources, because at the core it's still predicting, not knowing. So the honest version, hallucination isn't a glitch they'll patch away next year. It's a direct feature of how these systems generate language. They will get better, fewer, rarer, easier to catch. But the underlying behaviour is baked in. What does this mean for you? One rule: never trust an LLM for a fact you can't verify. Names, numbers, dates, citations, quotes. Use it for drafting, structuring, explaining, brainstorming. Where being plausible is the whole point. And anything that has to be true, you check. If that was useful, subscribe. New explainer every week. I'm Ariella.